From a single atom to a global network.
Impact complete. No fractures detected.
Holding at 1.02. Stable.
Each pulse of green light scours atoms from the titanium, altering the surface beneath its anodized skin. The serial number emerges one character at a time, black and permanent. Model code, regulatory marks, even a QR lattice, all formed without breaking the finish.
Coming 2P1, lock.
Launch pin loader clear.
We're tracking. Door coming down.
Copy.
Nosing close.
Smooth cruise. Autopilot's holding nicely.
Yeah, she's settled in. Winds are clean tonight. Moon's putting on a show.
Hard to believe that was sold 12 hours ago.
One planet, one hop.
As the first light of day touches the tarmac in Bengaluru, a global journey reaches its next chapter. From the belly of a UPS 767, the iPhones destined for customers across the United States are handed off to India's own network. An electric Tata Apollo truck
manifest for 5th Avenue drop.
Got it, thanks.
All right, first gauge.
Locked and secure.
Let's roll it in.
Sunrise is right on cue.
Perfect timing, inventory received.
Morning. Welcome.
Morning.
Thank you. Come on in.
Feels amazing in here.
Oh wow, that is so smooth.
Pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, it feels alive.
Just line it up. Yeah, right there, whenever you're ready.
Okay.
And that's the shot.
Oh, wow.
Go ahead and zoom in a bit.
Look at that. You can see every line on the leaf.
And the tiny hairs on the sunflower. Pretty amazing, right?
It's like I'm right there inside
That's
the
the
picture.
camera.
There it goes.
That's it. All yours now.
Cool.
Wow.
It looks like a console.
Feels like one too. Watch this combo.
That's on a phone?
A18 Pro, solid 120, no sweat.
I'm impressed.
So when you press and hold here, you get the shortcut menu, and the titanium frame keeps it light even at this size.
I'll take it.
Perfect. I'll get everything set up for you.
Wow. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at you, buddy.
Okay, ready? I'm sending it.
Got it.
Same here. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Look at that face.
Setting it as my lock screen right now. Done. Ah, perfect.
That was fast. Cheers to Finn, the most photogenic dog ever.
Cheers.
You guys make me so happy.
Okay, everybody squeeze in. One,
Say
two.
summer.
There you go. Hey, careful with those bubbles.
They're perfect, look.
Ha! Gotcha. All right, one more.
From the moment you wake, everything you need is right here. Charged, ready.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Dad.
Looking good, Yumi.
Oh, look at her.
She just yawned.
Thanks, Mom. I get it now. Wow, that's fast.
Technology, huh?
Every cycle tells us something new. Where heat gathers, how materials bend, which components last a lifetime, and which don't. All of it becomes the blueprint for what's next. The past shaping the future. Again. The world